BMW i8 really does redefine what a supercar can be. With looks that are the stuff of a bedroom poster, including ground-hugging proportions and butterfly doors, it's BMW's most striking car ever. The performance is brutal too, with a 4.4-second 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint, while the handling us up there with the very best sports cars. But here's the thing, its official average fuel consumption rating is 134.5 mpg, and CO2 is 49 g/km. Those near-miraculous numbers come because the i8 is a petrol-electric hybrid, and the culmination of all BMW's engineering know-how. It's not the perfect supercar by any means, but it's more stunning and more futuristic than anything else close to its price. But here's the thing, its official average fuel consumption rating is 134.5 mpg, and CO2 is 49 g/km. Those near-miraculous numbers come because the i8 is a petrol-electric hybrid, and the culmination of all BMW's engineering know-how. It's not the perfect supercar by any means, but it's more stunning and more futuristic than anything else close to its price. In total, the powertrain adds up to a meaty but not excessive 357 bhp, supplemented by 570 Nm of torque. Thanks to the instant delivery of the electric motor, it's enough to give the BMW i8 acceleration that matches the car's style. It won't trouble a Ferrari 488 GTB, but it's enough to rattle the cage of most 911 drivers, and run the Audi R8 close. That puts the BMW i8's £100,000 price point into perspective. In fact, combined with its V-Tax band status and 134.5 mpg fuel efficiency rating, it looks a relative bargain. Is it perfect? No. The reality is that you can't have that much technology working away in a sports car and make the driving experience feel truly natural. A fake engine noise is piped into the cabin through the speakers, for example, but it does a very good job of trying. It's also not as economical in real life as it is on paper, not by any means. But still, no other sports car of this type and price can come close to its efficiency, or its sense of futuristic occasion, and that makes the i8 truly special. A sports car with a 3-cylinder engine doesn't sound like the most thrilling prospect in the world, but thanks to the assistance of an electric motor, the i8 feels every bit as quick as an Audi R8. Officially, 0 to 62 miles per hour takes 4.4 seconds, but because you have the instant torque of the electric motor, it actually feels a lot faster in the real world. It doesn't matter what gear you're in, the i8 comes as standard with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The i8 responds instantly to every